Yep.
Okay, the breakfast starting at 7 a.m. until the breakfast you can take in our restaurant
Okay.
or in your room. We
Okay.
have the room service also.
Oh, okay.
Yes. And then maybe you wanna try floating breakfast. We have the service.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
And then the service is free for the floating breakfast.
Okay.
For the communication, we use WhatsApp group.
Hello everyone, this is Anita C. I'm still in Bali, but now I have checked into another area. I'm at the Desa Hay in Canggu. So Desa or Desa, D-E-S-A means village. So this is the name of this boutique luxury hotel. So I got villa number 1. It's very, very boutique and luxury. So I'm going to show you the room tour, which is very interesting. So this is not as a big pool as where I stayed before in another property. This is a smaller pool, but definitely not just a plunge pool because it still got some depth and length that the floating breakfast will be quite nice to be here, or so you soak in the water to cool off, etc. Okay, so look at the architecture. So this is the shape and architecture of my villa, and this is the terrace facing the pool. Okay, so let's walk in and I will show you. So you can see again the material used and everything for the architecture, and a lot of greens, a lot of the big leaves and such. Okay, so this is where I am, villa number 1. So they use the electricity keypad, the smart keypad. Okay. Yep, and then unlocked. I just need to put in a number and I can get in. Okay, so now I am in. You can see again the lovely architecture that I love about this property, and the use of all the wooden and local material to make it very upscale and cozy. Okay, so this is the long bench behind, which is very typical at a lot of the boutique luxury hotel that I stay. Okay, so they are, other than the smart door, they are using iPad to communicate with everything. And this is a welcome note from the GM and the welcome food plate, as well as, let me take a look. Okay, sanitizer. That's good. Okay, I can tell it's a really newer hotel with the design of the lamp and everything, because that is the newer type of lamp that a lot of designers like to use lately. Anyway, so this is the king size bed facing the plunge pool, or facing the green, the outside. And again, the other thing that also got me is I like flash flowers, you know, with the magazine, with the cushion and the flow. So very homely. This is what I really like, and I talk about it at the other hotel as well. So that's what they got as well. Okay, so Desa Hay, or they call it Desa Hay, small luxury hotel of the world. So they are a member of small luxury hotel of the world. That's where I put my luggage. Okay, so let's take a look further. Okay, so they have the beach bag. Oh, yeah, actually they have a property up in Buduk. And then they have the bathrobe, the yoga mat. And then on this side, they have the slipper. And then they told me everything that is alcoholic is for a different, for additional charge. But for the tea, which is very nicely how they put it, not the tea bag, but with the real tea leaves and with the label and everyththing, is included. And also in the mini bar, everything that is alcoholic is additional charge, but everything down here, the soda, the Coca-Cola, the soda water and such, they are all included in the room. So that is very nice. And also this 2 water bottle is souvenir. The ladies say I can take it with me, and I'm pretty happy because I like the water bottle for hiking and such, and it looks pretty cool of this bottle. And then this is the decor of the shelf. Again, you know, give you a really cozy but, you know, upscale type of feeling. And then the door opens into the bathroom. Actually, I just opened it, so I'm not going to give you the surprise. So they have the double sink, which they use this for the sink, which is very nice. And then the lotion and the hand soap, beach towel and the towel. And then, wow, okay, let's look at the bathtub. And then before that, that's the rain shower, which is indoor. And then although it looked very clear, but actually that's a door. You have to open it to get access to the bathtub. So the bathtub is outdoor. Okay, I'm going to close it back. Okay. So the stone shape big outdoor bathtub is definitely one of the things that is very different and very unique here, which is very nice. And other than this, what is also very nice is they got a swing chair. So the swing chair here that you can relax in the afternoon. Although the position is interesting because it's behind the bathtub, but facing the green and not too much of a view, so not really facing the plunge pool. I guess they cannot do it that way. So, but anyway, is a very interesting and relaxing furniture, so to speak, to add to the favor of this hotel. Okay, so I'm going to go out for dinner tonight, and breakfast is included. So I'm going to have breakfast tomorrow morning. I'm here for one night before I continue my trip up north, and I will try to show you as much as I can for this wonderful property in Jabu in Bali, Indonesia.